Hello students, today we see next questions, that is question number 4 in practice set 6.1. Now question is, if tan theta is equal to 1, then find the values of sin theta plus cos theta divided by sec theta plus cosec theta. Now first write down given tan theta is equal to 1. But we know that now tan of which angle of tan value is 1, that is tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. But tan 45 degree is equal to 1. आपण ट्रायंगल मध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे 90 degree 45 45 1 1. Tan 45 opposite side upon adjacent side, that is tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Therefore theta is equal to, comparing this, theta is equal to 45 degree. Therefore we have to find value of this. Now sin theta plus cos theta divided by sec theta plus cosec theta is equal to, now put value of theta is 45 degree, sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree divided by sec 45 degree plus cosec 45 degree is equal to, now in this triangle let us see here 45 45 90 degree 1 1 square root 2. Now what is value of sin 45? Opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is 1 upon square root 2, 1 upon square root 2 plus cos 45 adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is 1 upon square root 2 divided by sec 45. sec कशाच्या ऑपोजिट आहे? cos च्या. cos 1 upon square root 2, sec काही square root 2 upon 1, that is square root 2 plus cosec 45 कशाच्या ऑपोजिट आहे? sin च्या. sin opposite side upon hypotenuse, तिच्या उलट hypotenuse upon opposite side, that is root 2. Now here equal to, this is 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon root 2 divided by root 2 plus root 2, that is 2 root 2 whole divided by 1. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2 is equal to 2 upon square root 2 into 1 upon reciprocal of this 2 root 2. Here 2 get cancelled. 1 upon square root 2 into square root 2 is 2. Therefore value of this is 1 upon 2. Write down question number 5. Prove that now number 1 यातले बरेच एक्झाम्पल पाहिजेत आपण असलो. प्रूव्ह दॅट नंबर 1 sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Cos theta is equal to sec theta. We have to prove this. Now for this, first write down left hand side of this. First write down left hand side, that is LHS is equal to sin square theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by 1. Now here taking LCM, LCM is cos theta, cos theta. Cos theta are equal, therefore write down sin square theta plus, here is 1, therefore multiplying by cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Now we know formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 upon cos theta, and 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. This is RHS. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we prove given, that is sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. This is the proof. Number 2. Now question number 2. Cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now here also, first write down left hand side. LHS is equal to cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to. Now cos square theta into bracket. Now 1 plus tan square theta is 1 plus cos square theta is sec square theta. We know formula. आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहित आहे 1 plus tan square theta ची व्हॅल्यू काय sec square theta. Now cos square theta into sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta. Here cos square theta get cancelled, therefore equal to 1. Therefore is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we prove, cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the proof. Question number 3. Question number 3. Now square root of 1 minus sin theta, divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Now first write down LHS. We have to prove this. First write down left hand side. LHS is equal to square root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Now here 1 plus sin theta, therefore multiplying and dividing by complex conjugate of this denominator. It's a complex conjugate kai 1 plus sin theta, therefore 1 minus sin theta. Square root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into complex conjugate of this, that is 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to square root of. Now 1 minus sin theta, this is 1 minus sin theta whole square. याला कसं लिहिता येईल 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by a plus b, a minus b is written as a square, that is 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta is equal to, now square root of 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by, now what is value of 1 minus sin square theta? We know formula, आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहित आहे, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. यावरून 1 minus sin square theta ची व्हॅल्यू काय येईल? cos square theta. Therefore cos square theta. Now taking square root, दोन्ही साइड स्क्वेअर रूट घेतलं तर काय येईल? 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta equal to, now this cos theta divided by 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta is sec theta minus sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. This is RHS. Hence we prove LHS is equal to RHS. Hence write down, hence square root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta. This is the proof. Thank you.